Hi friends, this is Dheeraj Gupta, founder managing director of Jumbo King, India's largest chain of vegetarian burgers. I'm reviewing the 22 immutable laws of marketing laid down by Al Rice and Jack Trout and the practical implication of these laws in the real world in Mumbai and in India. Yesterday, we reviewed law number 1, the law of leadership, which basically said it's more important to be first than to be better. So today I'm going to be reviewing law number 2, which is the law of category. In this, Al Rice and Jack Trout have said that if you can't be first in the category, you do not need to worry. You create a new category in which you can be first. So when you launch a new product, the question that you need to ask yourself as an entrepreneur is not how your product is better than the existing leader in the market. The question needs to change. You need to ask yourself, what is the category that I can be first in with my product? So everyone is interested in what's new. There are few people who are really interested in knowing what is better. And when you are first in your category, you can basically advertise and you have no competition. You are pretty much the only player in that category, which gives you a 10x advantage as you create your brand. So now let us look at the real life implication. When we started off Jumbo King, we were trying to understand what is the category that we can be first in. And we realized that Vada Pav as a product sold almost 1 million units in Mumbai city every single day. Now that was an interesting category, not branded and large enough for us to go and have a play. And we did some quick calculations and we realized that even if 20% of the people in this market really care for hygiene, which is still a very large market, for a company to come in and create a proposition around the most hygienic Vada Pav in Mumbai city. And that was how my friend's Jumbo King was born. And in the journey, brand journey of any company, of any brand, the category will evolve. So while Jumbo King started as a very focused player in the Vada Pav category, now as the company gets into its next phase of growth, we realize that the vegetarian burger as a category is much larger in Mumbai, as well as it has national and eventually worldwide appeal. And that is why we as a company, we understand category play and we decide to move on to the vegetarian burgers. So what you will see is, while you build your brand and your company, you will come across you'll come at these crossroads where you will not know which path to take. But just remain clear in your understanding that it is category play, and you'll realize how easy it will be to make decisions based on what is going to make more money for you, based on where the larger consumer need requires, and on what is going to be a win-win situation for everyone involved. We are happy to share with you that today Jumbo King has over 100 stores in Mumbai, and this market alone can support over 200 stores. And why I share this with you is because I get really excited by the opportunities that we all have in living these times and living in India. It's a very large market, and there are so many food products which still lie unbranded, and there is so much scope for us to go and create multiple very profitable brands in the food space. So friends, find a category, happy brand building. And I know that there must be a lot of questions coming to your mind. Please write to me. I love answering these questions, and it's a process which I really enjoy, and that's why I have taken up this endeavor. So all the best, and let us create the next $12 billion brands in this country. The country is large and there is so much to do over here.